Hey Internet, well today we're having a day off the painting and just really trying to catch up with some of the other stuff. I'm trying to sort the problem with the loom out really. Well, that was a bit of a tough job. Well, a long job really, rather than tough. The most complicated part obviously was the handlebar switch for the start button, or that houses the start button. But I hope you could see that there was a lot of dirt and muck in there that was no doubt stopping the button working. The corrosion, it was more the black gunge than corrosion really, but we've got all of that out and the switch seems fine now. So there's going to be other connectors that we're going to have to replace when I put it back on the bike, but I'm mindful of cutting too much wire off or shortening, you know, certain wires, so I'll do them when I'm building the bike back up really. We've still got a lot of connectors and I haven't soldered anything yet, so the soldering iron hasn't been out. But yeah, on the starter solenoid they were quite bad. A lot of the block connectors were quite corroded, but I've got some electrical spray that I'm going to use in them as well, just to get rid of any remnants of them. But I don't want to replace them just for the sake of it if they're alright. So yeah, the biggest thing I think will be the taping it up again, because it's obviously been completely taped up. There's no original cover on it at all, so hopefully it won't look too bad when I put it back on. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already by clicking on the button below. If you click the alarm, the bell icon, you'll get a notification when I post new videos. As I say, subscribers keep going up, so I think we'll hit 200 this weekend, which is really good news. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it, and let's look forward to start building the bike back up. Thank you very much, Internet. Bye.